Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you would like to see how I made this Dominican style chicken noodle soup, keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, so here are the ingredients that you will need for this Dominican style chicken noodle soup. You will need small pasta, sazon goya, squash, onion, potato, Maggi, garlic powder, garlic salt, and some oregano. So here is the chicken. I brought chicken thighs and drumsticks, and I cut them up and put it in the water already. And I washed the chicken with vinegar. So now I'm gonna add the seasoning. Now I'm adding the garlic powder. Actually, before the garlic powder, that was my Maggi seasoning. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, I'm doing a voiceover, so I'm trying to remember everything. And now I'm gonna add my garlic salt. I like using garlic salt instead of regular salt for some reason because I love garlic and everything. So, but you can use regular salt if you want. I needed to make this soup because I had cold and it was really cold in LA. For some reason, it's really cold this year, and I'm not in New York. And everybody knows when you live in New York, they have that corner store restaurants, Dominican restaurants that sell the Dominican chicken soup, and it's so good. So I had to make one. So now we're gonna add a little bit of oregano. And then you're gonna add your sazon. You have to add this, guys. You ain't cooking any Spanish stew or soup without this. So I'm gonna add that, 1 pack. And I'm gonna add my onion. And so it has been cooking for 20 minutes now, as you guys can see. I'm gonna keep that cooking for another 10 minutes. So here are my squash, carrots, potatoes, and cilantro that we're gonna add after it has been cooked for another 10 minutes. The squash gives it that color, and you're gonna see at the end. So now I'm gonna add in those vegetables that I showed to you earlier today. I'm adding in my carrots and the other vegetables. As you can see, the water is going up, but it's gonna come down. I'm gonna leave the pot open, and I'm adding in the cilantro as well. The cilantro is just gonna dissolve, so don't worry about it. It's gonna be checking in there. It's always gonna dissolve with the squash as well. Okay guys, so it has been cooking from 30 to 40 minutes, I believe. So now you're gonna see if it's good to go. As you can see, most of the squash melted in already, and also the cilantro. So here you will add your angel hair pasta, or those tiny pastas in there. I like a lot of pasta in mine because I like it a little bit thick, but you can add a little bit if you want. So I'm just gonna add half a pack of that, and the pack is really small, to be honest with you. But just be careful if you're adding more than this, because the more you add, you're gonna just eyeball it with the water, because pasta grows. And you're gonna close that up and let it cook for another 10 minutes. So it has been cooking for 10 minutes, guys. It's ready to go. As you can see, oh, it smells so good. Like, I couldn't wait to eat it already. Yeah. So here is the finished look, guys. I add a little bit of lemon near it. Let me know if you enjoy this, and yeah, bon appetit. Bye.